Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to share potato enchiladas recipe. So without any further delay, let's get straight towards the video. First of all, I'm going to take two of the potatoes of medium size. I'm going to cut it into cubes. As you can see, I have cut the potatoes, taking a pan and putting all the potatoes. Now I am going to add 4 cups of water in. And after adding water, we are going to place it on a stove. Turn the flame of stove on to the medium and cook until it's boiled. Take a potato and press it so that you can confirm that it's completely boiled. Take it aside and add oil about 1 tablespoon in a separate pan and onions of medium size. I have chopped 1 onion of medium size and add it in this pan. Now fry it for 2 minutes. Add the boiled potatoes in a separate bowl, and with that we're going to add some of the spices. I'm adding paprika 1/4 teaspoon, salt 1/4 teaspoon, and with that I'm going to add black pepper 1/4 teaspoon. After adding black pepper, we are going to move towards the next ingredient. That's we have salted onions, and now we are going to add it in this. With it I'm adding coriander leaves as per requirement. Now I'm going to mix all these ingredients quite well. Then you can see I'm going to take a tortilla wrap, and then I'm going to place some of the tomato paste onto it, and with that I'm going to add this potato mixture, add some mozzarella cheese, and just roll this. We have to do a lot of tortilla wraps like this to make enchiladas. Onto a separate pan, I'm gonna add some tomato paste, or spread some of the tomato paste onto the surface of it. With that I'm going to place these tortilla rolls, which are known as enchiladas, later on. And now I'm gonna place some of the tomato paste on it again, and after that I'm gonna place some of the cheese. You can take cheddar cheese as well. I'm taking mozzarella cheese. So whatever the cheese you like, you can just add it. Then I'm adding coriander leaves. It's really not necessary if you don't want to. Bake it for 10 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. If you really like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and your family. Do subscribe to my channel. Till then, goodbye. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.